In today's fast-paced world, being a student means juggling multiple tasks, from assignments and research to personal projects and extracurriculars. But what if I told you there are powerful AI tools out there that can help you manage all of this more efficiently? Whether you're looking to optimize your time, improve your learning, or simply make your life easier, these 20 AI tools can help you do it all. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the future of education with AI. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI. This AI-powered conversational agent is a student's best friend when it comes to writing essays, brainstorming ideas, or even coding. Whether you need help drafting a research paper or just want to generate some creative ideas, ChatGPT is here to assist. Simply type your query, and ChatGPT will provide detailed responses, saving you hours of work. Next, we have Grammarly. If you struggle with grammar or just want to polish your writing, Grammarly's got you covered. This AI tool scans your text for errors in grammar, punctuation, and style, offering suggestions to improve your writing. Whether it's an email, an essay, or a blog post, Grammarly ensures your text is clear, concise, and error-free. Organizing notes, tasks, and projects can be overwhelming, but Notion AI makes it easier. This tool can help you create to-do lists, organize your notes, and even generate content. Whether you're working on a group project or planning your study schedule, Notion AI helps you stay on top of everything. For all the math and science enthusiasts, Wolfram Alpha is a must-have. This computational engine can solve complex equations, provide step-by-step solutions, and even generate graphs. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. Just input your problem, and Wolfram Alpha will do the rest. Want to create engaging video content without spending hours recording and editing? Synthesia allows you to generate AI-driven videos by simply typing in your script. Perfect for creating presentations, tutorials, or even language learning videos, Synthesia makes video creation a breeze. Struggling with writer's block? Quillbot is an AI-powered paraphrasing tool that helps you rewrite and rephrase your text. It's perfect for improving your essays, creating summaries, or generating unique content. With Quillbot, you can easily enhance your writing without losing the original meaning. Research can be a daunting task, but Mendeley makes it easier by helping you organize your references and create citations in various formats. It's a crucial tool for anyone writing a thesis, dissertation, or any research-heavy paper. Mendeley even helps you discover new research papers in your field. When you need to write marketing copy, blog posts, or even a novel, Jasper AI comes to the rescue. This AI writing assistant can help you generate high-quality content in minutes. It's like having a professional writer at your fingertips, making it perfect for content creation assignments or personal projects. Creating stunning graphics for presentations or social media is easy with Fotor, an AI-powered photo editing tool. Whether you need to edit images, create designs, or enhance your photos, Fotor provides all the tools you need to produce professional quality visuals without the steep learning curve. Need to edit audio or video for a project? Descript offers a revolutionary way to edit media by transcribing your audio and video files. You can edit your media just like a document. Delete, move, and correct text to make changes in the audio or video file instantly. Perfect for podcasting or video assignments. Taking notes during lectures can be tough, but Otter.ai has you covered. This AI tool records and transcribes conversations in real time, making it easy to review and search your notes later. It's like having a personal assistant to capture everything said in a meeting, class, or group discussion. Hemingway Editor is an AI tool designed to make your writing clear and bold. It highlights complex sentences, passive voice, and adverbs, helping you to simplify and improve your text. Ideal for essay revisions, Hemingway ensures your writing is as effective as possible. Canva is an AI-driven design tool that allows you to create stunning graphics, presentations, posters, and more. With a wide range of templates and easy-to-use features, Canva is perfect for students who need to create visual content without any design experience. When it comes to translation, DeepL is one of the most accurate AI-powered tools available. It translates text in a natural and context-aware manner, making it perfect for language students or anyone needing accurate translations for their work. Coursera not only offers courses, but also has AI tools that help personalize your learning experience. These AI features recommend courses, adjust difficulty levels, and even provide personalized quizzes to help reinforce what you've learned. Elicit is an AI research assistant that helps you find academic papers, generate summaries, and even brainstorm research questions. It's a must-have for any student working on research projects or literature reviews. Fireflies.ai is an AI tool that automatically records, transcribes, and takes notes during meetings or classes. It integrates with popular conferencing tools like Zoom and Google Meet, making it perfect for students who want to focus on the conversation rather than note-taking. If you're into coding, GitHub Copilot is your AI-powered coding assistant. It suggests code snippets and even completes entire functions as you type, making coding faster and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, GitHub Copilot is an invaluable tool. Socratic is an AI-powered app by Google that helps you with homework and study questions. Just take a picture of the problem, and Socratic will provide explanations, solutions, and related resources. It's like having a tutor in your pocket. Last but not least, Evernote is an AI-enhanced note-taking app that helps you organize your thoughts, to-do lists, and research. With features like text recognition in images and AI-powered search, Evernote ensures you never lose track of important information. And there you have it, 20 AI tools that can help you excel in your studies and beyond. With these powerful tools at your disposal, you'll be able to tackle any challenge that comes your way, streamline your workflow, and ultimately, achieve your academic goals more efficiently. Remember, the future